Welcome back to another episode of Kimchi as We Know It, where we explore the versatility of Jongga kimchi by pairing it with fusion recipes. Prepare to be inspired by the fusion magic we create together. Jongga also makes a vegan kimchi, which is what we're going to be using today to make kimchi risotto. We're going to heat up some oil in our pan. And start by adding in our onion. Getting some nice browning. Now that we've gotten our onion cooked a bit, we're going to add in our garlic. We're going to cook that for just like a minute or so until it's fragrant. Let's add our mushroom. Alright, let's add in our Jongga vegan kimchi. This vegan kimchi is great. Jongga took all the best parts of kimchi and made it vegan. Let's add in our arborio rice. So we're going to toast the rice for a little bit, and that'll help to start the cooking process. And then we'll add in our broth and then start to make it really delicious and creamy. And now we're going to deglaze with about half a cup of the vegetable broth and scrape all of that goodness off the bottom. And then we're going to slowly start to add our hot broth. We've been adding broth and cooking this risotto for the past about 20-30 minutes. You can see it's starting to get nice and creamy. Risotto is actually the first dish I ever taught myself how to cook. And so I feel like this kimchi risotto is a really nice way to blend and marry the punchy flavors of kimchi with sort of that like soft silkiness of the risotto. To our finished risotto, we're gonna add a little bit of olive oil and top with some more Jongga vegan kimchi. And finish with some chopped scallions. Let's give it a taste. The punchiness of the vegan kimchi pairs really well with this risotto. Thank you for joining me on this vegan kimchi fusion adventure. Stay tuned for the next episode of Kimchi as We Know It. Until then, keep experimenting in the kitchen and exploring the world of kimchi cuisine with Jongga.